Today I'll show you how beginners can make $200 to $300 every month on Fiverr using ChatGPT, even if you have no advanced skills. Fiverr is one of the largest freelancing platforms where people pay for simple services like writing, email templates, product descriptions, social media captions, AI-based tasks. The good news is ChatGPT can do 70% of the work for you. You don't need a degree, expensive software, years of experience. You only need a Fiverr account. ChatGPT, a smart strategy. In this video, I'll break everything into simple steps, so make sure to watch till the end. Brain key point on screen. Small gigs plus ChatGPT equals monthly consistent income. The first step is choosing the right Fiverr service. Don't choose difficult gigs. Instead, focus on simple but high-demand services like email writing, ChatGPT prompt writing, resume optimization, AI content rewriting. Now let me show you the smartest way. Go to Fiverr search, email writing, check, orders and queue reviews, gig prices. You'll notice many sellers earning money from very simple services. Light bulb example, an email writing gig charging $10 per order if you complete. 1 order per day equals $300 per month, 2 orders per day equals $600 per month. And ChatGPT will help you do this in minutes. Brain tip on screen, never compete on price, compete on clarity and delivery speed.
Now let's create a high-converting Fiverr gig using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type. Create a Fiverr gig title, description, and FAQs for email writing service targeting small businesses. ChatGPT will generate gig title, SEO, description, bullet points, FAQs. Now customize it slightly. Add simple words, mention fast delivery, mention AI, plus human editing. Example gig title. I will write high-converting professional emails using AI and human touch. Use clear thumbnails, email icons, clean design, short text, professional email writing. This alone can make your gig stand out. Brain pro tip on screen. Simple gigs with professional presentation sell faster. Once you receive an order, don't panic. Copy the client requirements and paste into ChatGPT. Use prompts like, write a professional cold email for a real estate business. Friendly tone, CTA included. ChatGPT will give you a strong draft. Now do human optimization. Fix grammar, add personalization, improve subject line, make it sound natural. Delivery time, 10 to 20 minutes per order. This means more orders, faster delivery, better reviews. And better reviews equals higher ranking on Fiverr. Brain reminder on screen. ChatGPT is your assistant, not a replacement. Let's talk numbers. If your gig price is $10 per order, you only need 20 to 30 orders per month equals $200 to $300. To increase income, add gig extras, offer 24-hour delivery bundle services, create 2 to 3 similar gigs. Example, email writing, email rewriting, AI email optimization. All powered by ChatGPT. Consistency is the key. Brain final motivation on screen. One good gig can pay your monthly bills. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment Fiverr. I'll reply with a free ChatGPT prompt pack.